Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ Alisha and in today's video I am going to talk about my travel experience and I'll tell you my story and I'll tell you how I travel from India to Malaysia and I will provide all the details links in my description box. Please check it out. Now let's begin the video. If you are planning to travel Malaysia, then this video will definitely help you. So I have divided this video into few points and I will explain each point. So the first point is to know your visa category. When we traveled, that time only EP1 category was allowed, but I think now employment 2 and 3 are also allowed. Check which type of visa are allowed by Malaysian government. You can check the detail in my description box. In our case, our visa got expired during the lockdown. So it took so long for us to come here. So first of all, you have to get your MDEC letter and your stamping done, then you can proceed further. The next point is how to book the flights. You have to check your flight details on the official site of the Indian government. You can check if the country name is available in the list, then the flights will be there. Where you can check your destination. If it is there, you can fly. If it is not there, then you have to wait. And there will be many countries in the list. When we booked the ticket, we were trying to find the flight on Air India site, but we couldn't find. So somehow we came to know that the flights are available on airindiaexpress.in. So you can check the flight details there. So after booking your flight, the next important thing you have to do is to get your letter, that is LOE, that is letter of entry to Malaysia, and the next letter is LOU, that is letter of undertaking. So you have to get these two letters. So you can download the PDF of LOU from the link given in my description box. Now the second point is about COVID test. So we were so confused we should do the test or not, but finally we read somewhere that the COVID test is not required. They will do the test here in Malaysia, so you can come directly. So we took our flight from Ranchi to Delhi, and when we reached Ranchi airport, that time we came to know that trolleys are not available. So you should prepare yourself that you have to carry your luggage by yourself because trolleys are not there. Some airport might have removed it, but some airport have the trolleys. Like we got the trolley at the Delhi airport. So we reached Delhi around 10 PM and there you can find the trolley. There we took the lounge to get some rest. This is the small clip of the cabin at the Delhi airport. And after 3 to 4 hours we started for the next flight. For the international flight you have to reach to the airport 4 hours prior, and there also you have to fill the self-declaration form. And also at the airport before the boarding pass they will check your all the documents if it is right or not, then only they will provide the boarding pass. 1 hour we waited there and then we got our boarding pass. Then our flight was at 7 AM. After completing all the formalities, we entered into the flight and the food packet was kept on the seat so we can reduce the contact, and it took 5 hours to reach Kuala Lumpur. As soon as you reach here, you have to download My Sajatra app. So I will suggest you should download the app before only and register. After that you have to sign the self-declaration form, and there only they will allot you the hotel where you have to stay. You cannot choose your hotel, they will only provide the hotel details. And then we have to do our corona test there. So we waited there for 5 minutes only and they have started the process. So they will take the sample from your nose and the throat, and this COVID test won't be free, you have to pay for the test. I was little bit scared of doing the test, but everything went smoothly and we came out. So after completing the COVID test, we went to the immigration office, not the immigration counter. They told to go to the immigration office and they took our passports and they will call you, you have to wait for your turn. So there also we waited for some time and then we came out, and then they have provided some snacks, and then we have to wait for the bus. So there also it took so long, but the wait was not over yet. When we came to the hotel, at the entrance only we have to wait for 2 hours for the process. We reached Kuala Lumpur at 3 p.m. and it took 7 hours to complete all the process and to reach in my hotel room. So prepare yourself along with food and water, and be patient. That's it guys, that was my story, and right now we are in the hotel and I am planning to make a hotel quarantine video also, so stay tuned for that if you wanna see that. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.